Hey guys, ECRG here, back with another episode. I just want to talk to you guys about this Master's in Clinical Research. I've been getting a lot of questions from listeners out there about getting a Master's in Clinical Research, how this will affect their job prospects, where they should go to do it. So I got a question here in my inbox, and for those interested in asking me a question about their specific situation, I oftentimes will do a video. I will respond to your question. You can email me eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com. Once again, that's in the description, but eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com. Also, we have resume review if you're interested in having your resume reviewed. If you're interested in talking to me about your personal situation, dealing with how to get in clinical research, how to navigate certain aspects in clinical research, I do that kind of consulting also. So you just email me eliteclinicalresearch@gmail.com. So this person had emailed in saying, "Hi, I'm a final year pharmacy graduation student in India, and I'm planning to do my master's in clinical research abroad. Which country and university do you think are better for this program?" So a lot of people that have been following the channels for a long time know I never recommend a graduate degree in clinical research unless you have significant clinical research experience already. The reason is it ends up being a waste of your money, and you end up having to start entry level for the most part. Anyway, the most important thing is clinical research experience. It does not matter. You need clinical research experience, and then you can go and get your degree. Now, the reason for this is twofold. One, the recruiters and hiring managers want to hire people with clinical research experience. They don't want to hire people that they have to train and have to pay more because you have a graduate degree now. So they want to hire someone who they can train and they can pay a less amount than someone with some big fancy graduate degree now. The second reason why they want to hire someone, the second reason why they want someone with more experience is they want someone that can already do the job. They want to make sure that you can do the job, and just because you have a big fancy degree does not mean that you can suddenly be a clinical researcher now or do the job. So that's why I always recommend get the clinical research experience. Then the third thing for you that you've got to think about as a person looking to get into clinical research is, guys, a lot of times these companies will pay for you to go back to school. So why are you paying for out of your own money when the company will pay for you to go and get that graduate degree? Whether it's an MBA, whether it's a master's in clinical research, whether it's some other kind of master's that could help you in your career. Companies, these big pharmaceutical companies will pay for you to go back to school. So stop wasting your own money paying for these programs that you don't necessarily need to get into clinical research. But to answer this person's question, just to be thorough, so that's my take on the master's in clinical research. But to answer this person's question, just to be thorough, I would say, which country and university do you think are better for this program? I would say look at the country and university that you want to work in. Now that's most important because, why would I go to Germany to do a master's in clinical research when I plan on working in America? Or why would I go to Germany to do a master's in clinical research when I plan on working in the UK? Though the university that you're working at is going to have relationships probably, or internships that are already set up with companies in the area. So I think it's going to be easiest for you to get your foot in the door in the same country that you're already working because of those relationships. Not to mention, while you're in getting your master's, you can reach out to these companies and look for internships, look for jobs the entire time. It's going to be a lot harder if you live elsewhere and are trying to go into that country. Now, I've done videos and episodes on how you can go about, transferring from one country to another in the clinical research space. Now, that's a separate topic. But when it comes to this, I definitely recommend working or studying in the same country that you plan on working in. So that's my take on this topic. Thank you guys so much for your questions. Keep them coming. I really appreciate them. Once again, email me, eliteclinicalgroup@gmail.com. Take care.